Meaning of edit.
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 Edit. The term edit refers to the act of making changes or modifications to a particular piece of content, such as text, images, videos, or audio recordings. The purpose of editing is to improve the quality and clarity of the content, fix any errors, and ensure that it effectively communicates the intended message. The result of editing is a polished and refined piece of content that is ready for publication or distribution. The editing process involves careful review, revision, and proofreading to ensure that the content meets the desired standards of accuracy, relevance, and effectiveness.